Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find winning products with Minea. Now this video will help you learn the best techniques you can use so that you can get the heads up on the top winning products in the market. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So first up, what you'd want to do is visit the Minea website so that you can sign up for your own account. So just right here on your browser, type in minea.com. And then you should be able to see this page right here where you can sign in for a free trial or just straight up a full-on account. After that, just make sure to log in with your credentials and you shall be greeted with this dashboard right here. Now, as you can see, it's currently set to browse ads and on Facebook specifically. So Minea is basically a product research tool used primarily for discovering, trending, and winning products for e-commerce stores, particularly in the dropshipping space. Now, to actually find the winning products, the first method we can use is to simply browse through the dashboard. So once you've selected your platform, which in my case is Facebook, and I've also selected e-commerce platform right here, which is set to Shopify, which by the way, you can edit that by clicking on this e-commerce platforms option on the left-hand side of the screen. And then if you click that, then you should be able to see this list. So just toggle which e-commerce platform you wish to view and then click apply. So right now we're at Shopify, and at a quick glance, we can see a bunch of ads that shows us the statistics for each one of them. So here you can already get a brief view of what are the trending topics and which products could be at the top or which are the winning products. So these ones are currently set to a low liking, but we do have one right here for this product, for example. Let's try clicking it, as it currently has around 1.1 thousand likes and 61 comments with 296 shares. So as you can see, this is the product right here, and there is a destination link. You have the description over here. And if we try to click see ad, then it will take us to that specific platform where we can find this product or where this product is being promoted. So as you can see from here, this is another way of double checking the product and to view its statistics and following. So as you can see, these are the stats, and you can see the comments from this section. So that's for this product. Now we're gonna try to use a different method. So here right below the search filters, you can see a bunch of filter modes as well. So we have weekly winners, so recent e-commerce ads with a minimum engagement in the last 7 days. These are sorted by shares, a good indicator of an ad's virality, and it decreases the cost per impression. So if we try to check this filter, then we'll have this panel of ads for the products or the top winning products for the week. And as you can see, there's actually a lot here that has a lot of following. So for example, this one has 163,000 likes, 32.4 thousand comments, and 74.1 thousand shares. So let's try to check this product real quick. And in here, we're going to try to see the ad. So it's basically a warmies. As you can see, these are all listed based on the stats of the ad pertaining to the product. You can double check it by clicking on the see ad. And you have a bunch more here that actually has a lot of stats involved. Let's try to check best of the month. So this is for the month, and here it's nicely listed, and it also shows us the country origin of that product. So by the way, if you need to edit the language of the website, for example, you can do that right here. There's a drop down right next to my lists and your account icon. So if you click that, you can select your language, but this doesn't change the language on the ads or the products themselves, especially if they're coming from a specific country. So that's just something you might need to be worried about in case the product comes from a different country. So that's for exploring ads database. You can filter by metrics, and you can also analyze trends. There's this season cash machine. There's also recent drop shipping. So right there, currently we're using a trial account. That's why it's kind of limited, the features that we have. But again, if you subscribe to Minea, then you will have full access to Minea's features. So next up, we're gonna try to see the filter by date section. As you can see, you have the option to set it on scene date. There's also for creation date, first scene date, and last scene date. If you click on the search bar, you'll also have a short list of which are the trending topics or the most searched for in a span of maybe like a few minutes or an hour or for the rest of the day. You'll be able to see them here. There's also this filter system here, which right now it's set to shares. You can set it to creation date, first scene, last scene, running time, likes, comments, love, or haha, sorry, anger, wow. So these are basically the Facebook reaction emojis since we're set to Facebook. And if we try to check this section here, we can also change the platform. So instead of Facebook, we can go to Pinterest. We can also go to TikTok, and there's also a EU spy feature. So spy features are actually one of the methods you can also use to check the winning products. So Minea allows you to spy on competitors by looking at the ads they are running. So top ads from competitors, you can identify stores that are consistently running ads, and if they are spending a lot on ads for a specific product, which would mean that they're likely a strong performer. Now here you can also set the media types if you're looking for images only, videos, carousel, album, or multi. That depends on how you wish to filter the winning products. So you can freely set that here. There's also a CTA or e-commerce CTA. So CTA would mean call to action, and since ads for products have different call to actions, then if you're looking for something in particular, you can set that filter right here. You can check on buy now, shop now, learn more, message page, sign up, get offer, download, apply now, and etc. So those are the filters. There's also filters by engagement, which you can filter by likes, comments, shares, and reactions. And there's also a targeting audience for a more advanced filter system. You can target audience for age or sex. There's also countries, and there's also a drop shipping filter. So basically, that's how you apply the filter system of Minea so that you can view the top winning products for a specific duration, period, or time frame. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.